Everyone, you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your camera button is not working on your iPhone. Now, the first thing to keep in mind is that if the camera button is not working, there's a couple reasons for this. Number one, you have to make sure you're pressing into that camera button. It's not a tap button, it's an actual button that you press in. So you're going to have to make sure you press into that button pretty hard. Not that hard, but like just a little bit, right? So that's number one. Now, you also need to make sure you have an iPhone 16 or newer. If you do not have an iPhone 16 or newer, then that feature might not be there for you. So number one, make sure you have an iPhone 16. On some other iPhones, it does look like you may have a camera button, but that's not a camera button, that's an antenna band. So make sure you have that specific camera button that actually clicks into place. Now, another thing you're going to want to make sure here too is you want to go ahead and if the camera, opens up, but specifically if you're taking a photo or video or zooming in, like none of that stuff is working, there's a few things to keep in mind here. Number one, zooming in, you do want to make sure that you click into the button a little bit, and then you're able to move around your, zooming in, zooming out as soon as you do that. That's number one, because if you're not doing that, if you don't click it in a little bit, then that might be an issue. So make sure you click it in a little bit, and then you'll be able to get this pop-up view just like this. Now, another thing you may want to do is click into that button like I said, and that should end up fixing the problem. You can also try updating your iPhone. Sometimes that can cause some issues as well. So hop inside of your settings application here. You're going to scroll down to see your general settings, which is right here. Click on software update, and all you're going to want to do is just update your iPhone. And that's another thing you may want to try, checking out as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.